Good day class. In this video we are going to solve exercise number 4.3. So question number 1 is draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variables. So what I am doing is I am doing question number 4 of question number 1. Okay. Question number 1 is 3 equals to 2x plus y. 3 equals to 2x plus y. Or we can say that y equals to 3 minus 2x. So what we have to do is, if we have to make a graph, we have to find 4 solutions. So x and y. First of all, let x equals to 1. So 3 minus 2 will be 1. Then x equals to 2. 2 into 2, 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. X equals to 0. 3 minus 0 will be 3. Okay. And x equals to, we can take minus 1. So if x equals to minus 1, then 2 into 1 will be plus 2. 3 plus 2 will be 5. When x is minus 1. Okay. Now we got all the 4 coordinates. What we have to do is make a graph and draw 4 quadrants. Okay, you know how to draw it? We have learned it in the chapter number 3rd. X dash, y and y dash. Okay, we know that we have to give y equals to 5. So we have to first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. First of all, the point is 1 comma 1. So 1 comma 1 will be there. Okay. Next is 2 comma minus 1. X equals to 2 and y equals to minus 1. There it will be. Next 0 comma 3. X is 0 and y is 3. So this 0 comma 3. And the last is minus 1 comma 5. X is minus 1 and y is 5. So we will get the point here. Minus 1 comma 5. Done. So what we can see is that we got a straight line which is passing through these 4 points. Okay. So this line was made by the equation 3 equals to 2x plus y. So we have to write 3 equals to 2x plus y. Done? And now the question is done? No. What we haven't done is we didn't write the scale there. Okay, so scale will be on x axis 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit, and on y axis 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. Okay, now that's our question. Question number 2 is give the equation of two lines passing through 2 comma 14. How many more such lines are there and why? So what we have to do is question number 2 2 comma 14. So the equations can be x plus y. What will be x plus y? 14 plus 2, 16. Will this point has satisfied this equation? Yes. Or we can say that y minus x equals to 12. It can be an equation also. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So how many equations can we make? We can make one more like we can say 2x plus y equals to 18. Okay, so place that point here. 2 into 2 will be 4, 4 into 40, 4 plus 40 equals to 18. It is satisfying. So we can make as many equations as we can. Okay, so how many more there can be? There can be infinite lines. And why? Because from a single point, number of lines which can pass is infinite. Okay. Question number 3. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the taxi fare is 8 rupees, and for the subsequent distance, it is 5 rupees per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare as y rupees, write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. So what we have to do is we have to draw a graph. So first of all, question number 3. Okay, so let total distance equals to x. Question number 3. Let and total amount equals to y. Okay, so what we have to do is the fixed price is 8 rupees. So according to question, total price is equals to 8 rupees for the first kilometer, and for next subsequent kilometer what we have to do is we will have 5 rupees per kilometer. So if we have total distance is x, so for the next kilometer we will have how many rupees? 5 rupees. Okay, so we will multiply it by 5 because first kilometer is already covered in rupees 8, and for the next kilometer we will multiply it by 5. Okay, let distance covered is 1 kilometer. So what we have to do? Just place 1 there, and the answer will be 8 plus 5. Okay, 8 plus 5 into 0. So it will be 8. Next, if you go for 2 kilometer, so it will be 8 plus 2 minus 1 will be 1, 1 into 5 will be 5. So 8 plus 5 equals to 13. So this is our equation, and what we have to do is we have to draw a graph, then we have to find 4 such answers. Equals to 1. So y will be 8. X equals to 2, y will be 13, x equals to 3. So 3 minus 1 will be 2, 2 into 5 will be 10, 10 plus 8, 18. And for x equals to 4, it will be 15 plus 8, 23. This will be our equation. Now what we have to do is we have to draw a graph. And we know that all of the x and y coordinates are positive. So we don't have to go further negative on y direction, negative in x direction. This will be our origin. So for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This will be total distance, and this will be amount. Okay, so it will, so what we have to do? We have to go up to 23. We will take 1 centimeter equals to 2 rupees. So it will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Okay. So if x equals to 1, then y will be 8. X is 1 and y will be 8. Done. If x equals to 2, y will be 13. X equals to 2, y equals to 13. It will be there. Okay. 13 is there. Okay, if x equals to 3, y is 18. X equals to 3 and y is 18. So it will be there. Next, if x equals to 4, y is 23. X is 4, y is 23. So it will be like there. So we can say that it is a straight line. Okay, it is a straight line. Done. Now what we have to do is we have to place the scale. So scale will be on x. X is 1 centimeter equals to 1 kilometer, and on y axis 1 centimeter equals to 1 centimeter is equals to 2 rupees. Okay, that's our final answer. Next is question number 5. Okay, we forgot to do question number 3rd. It was question number 4. Okay, so class, what we have to do is we have to do it in question number 3rd again because we left it out. So next is question number 3rd. This was question number 4. Question number 3rd is, if the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y equals to ax plus 7, find the value of a. So what we have to do is we have to find the value of a. Point is question number 3rd, 3, 4, and equation is 3y equals to ax plus 7. 3y equals to ax plus 7. Okay, and this point satisfy the equation. So we can say 3 into 4 equals to a into 3 plus 7. So 4 into 3 will be 12 equals to 3a plus 7. 7 will be transferred there equals to 3x, 3a. A will be 12 minus 1 is 5 and 3 will be divided by 3. So A will be 5 by 3. This is our question number 3rd.